What's up, it's your boy CT, and yep, you guessed it, I'm back with another video. Notice y'all don't see my microphone this time, and that's because today we will be unboxing the new DJI mic. The DJI mic is a wireless microphone system, a lavalier microphone system, whatever you want to call it. So these are great for content creators to use on the go. It transmits up to 250 meters away. That's crazy. So 250 meters away is pretty far. We won't be testing the distance today, but this is great for me because as y'all know, I shoot a lot of clients that do a lot of walking. If y'all follow my content, then y'all know my clients do a lot of walking and talking. I got my knife today. So let's get into it. Let's rip it out the plastic. It's been acting brand new. Cause I don't know how to work it. So we're gonna figure it out together. We're ripping it out the plastic. Alright, so this system right here comes with 2 microphones, 1 transmitter. I got the double because you never know. Maybe one day I might have to interview 2 people at once or mic up 2 people at once. Everything comes in this little case right here. Okay, so in the case you get 2 microphones, 1 transmitter. Everything is already paired straight out the case, so you don't have to worry about any pairing. You also have a phone adapter, so you can plug it in straight into your phone if you want to use your phone to record a video and you want some clean audio. This is perfect for you. And you also have the USB-C piece. With the case fully charged, you get 15 hours of record time. And each individual microphone, you get 5 hours. And if it's dead, you pop it back in the case during your break, and boom, it charges back up. You ready to go again. I mean, most interviews are at least an hour, so you don't even have to worry about that. I'm just gonna pop this on really quick before I start. So straight out the camera, no settings changed. We have the DJI mic. That is the quality you're hearing right now. This little bag right here comes with all the items for the mic. You have these wind muffs. You have all your cords, charging cable, the cord that connects the camera to the transmitter, but I have my own cord, so that's what I'm using. Let me know if y'all hear a difference, you know what I mean? Check, check. It's your boy CT Game Over. It's your boy CT Game Over. All right, so just to show y'all that everything is already paired straight out the case, we just set it up right here. And it was just straight out the box, super easy, plug and go. I'm ready to catch audio. Sorry, I'm moving the mic around. But it was just plug in and go, and I'm ready to catch audio. So I'm gonna show y'all the other microphone. So I'm gonna show y'all that both work. I did nothing but just pull it out the case. Close the case. Check. Check. So just to give y'all a display of distance, I'm gonna go in another room with the microphone and I'm gonna talk in it, or as a matter of fact, I'm gonna give the microphone to someone else. Go ahead, you can say it.
Shout out to CT Game Over.
So as you guys can hear, that's way in another room. We're getting clear audio from there. It's your boy CT Game Over. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at CT Game Over, and make sure y'all follow my new media company, Media Recap Pro, at MediaRecapPro.com. And I'm out.